If your YouTube channel has been stuck on low views for years or even months, this video will explain exactly why. I've been posting consistently on YouTube for two years, and my channel was still struggling on low views. So you guys, this video I'm going to explain all the reasons why your channel has been stuck on low views and how to fix it. Let's go. I'm going to show you the 3 biggest reasons small YouTubers don't grow and small faces you can start using these things today. So reason one, this is the kind of video you would love to watch. Please do not forget to give me a like, give me a big thumbs up, like, comment on this video. Let's dive into the reasons. So reason one, your videos are too general. Yes, your videos are too general. The first reason is that your channel is not growing because your videos are too general. You're trying to teach everybody, so YouTube does not know who to recommend your videos to. For example, instead of saying how to grow on YouTube, you should say how to get views on YouTube Short with 0 subscribers. You understand? So be specific. One problem, one solution, one audience. So reason two, your hook is too slow. Yes, you see the way I jumped in right into this video. You need to make your hook to hook people. Like, you need to do something that will make people to continue to watch. That is one of the mistakes that I've been making on my channel that have been limiting me. So since I've realized that you have to hook people in your audience, in your channel, like in your videos, you have to hook your audience. So you have to do anything that will make them to continue watching. So the reason is that your videos are too slow. So if you don't grab attention in the first 5 seconds, people scroll away and YouTube stop pushing your video. YouTube doesn't care how good your video is later. If people don't watch the beginning, the video automatically dies. So always start with the problem, not your name, not your intro, not your story. Just go straight to the point, hit the nail on the head. So reason 3 is that you're not giving YouTube enough reason to push you. Yes, because I am like, this my channel is I don't know, I'm a living witness, because this is what I've been struggling with in my channel. So I'm the one to tell you why it is not moving, and I've used this particular technique that I'm telling you guys now, and I've started seeing solutions. I've started seeing that these problems are getting solved. My videos are beginning to pick up. So reason 3 is that you're not giving YouTube a reason to push you. You have to allow YouTube to recommend your video. YouTube pushes videos people watch longer and interact with. So if people don't like, comment, or watch the YouTube assumes the video is not good. Ask people to comment, ask them to stay and watch to the end. Give value first, then you ask. So like, for instance, you don't have to tell people to like, comment and share. Maybe you don't want to say it at the end of the video. You can say it at the last of the video when the video is about to end. So you have to remind them that they have to like, they have to comment, they have to share, they have to subscribe, because people don't even know that they have to comment on the video. So you need to like tell them the reason, tell them why they need to comment. Make videos that will make people want to like comment. Make videos that are solving problems, because YouTube loves videos that are solving problems. So a lot of people come to YouTube to search for a particular thing. So they want to come in here and know that your video is solving a problem. So there is a one again is that make videos solving one specific problem. So the second reason is that start every video with the pain points. Start every video with the pain point. You are telling the audience this is what you want to help them with, just like I started in this video. 3 is that post consistently and improve one thing each time. So make sure that the video you posted in 2025 is not the same kind of method you're going to be using in 2026. Make sure that you're making a difference. Your channel is not dead. You're just one good video away from YouTube understanding you. So everybody will have to make sure that YouTube understands us so that you can be able to push our video. So if this video helped you, please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, so that we can also grow together and we can also learn and find the solution to our problem. I hope that this video helped you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again. Thank you.